how to build your audience, how to get the engagement, and how you can build your list. This is what we are going to learn in day number 22. So, guys, congratulations one more time because you are at week number 4 and day 22 is starting from today. And this week will be basically for the traffic because we have our funnel ready. We have built our funnel, but the main thing is if you have a best funnel and if you do not have the traffic, there is no meaning of the funnel. So in today's video and in week 4 we are going to learn how we can create the traffic in our funnel. So before moving to the slides, today I want to request you one thing. Guys, whatever videos I am creating, it takes a lot of time, lot of energy to read that content, to watch the video, and again prepare the slides, again read it and deliver in front of you. So it takes a lot of efforts, lot of time and energy for me to create this content for you. So liking my content, please comment on my videos, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and this will boost my confidence. This will give me encouragement to create such videos, such valuable videos in future also. So guys, without any delay, let's start the slides. Okay guys, so as I said, this is day number 22 and this is the first day of week 4 and this is the last week of one funnel away challenge. So if you are still following one funnel away challenge, I congratulate you because you are the action taker and you are consistent till this day, and I hope you will be consistent till the last day of one funnel away challenge. So how we can create a traffic to our page? If you remember, in week 1 we have created one page, and during that time we have talked how we can create content in our page related to our niche. So if you have followed that day and if you are still following the learnings from those that first week, you must have been posting the content related to your niche till now, and now you must be getting a good engagement, good people. You might have you might have built a list of people in your page. Now we will boost that page and we will create a massive engagement. So guys, till now you have the audience in your page. So the thing is now, like now we need to convert them into the paid customer, because we make the biggest impact on our customer life when we get them to invest in us in the form of time and money. So you have provided, like 2 or 3 weeks are over when you created your page, and until now you have given all the free content to your customers or to your prospect or to your audience. But now this is the time you need to monetize your page. You need to promote your services, your offers, your products to your clients, and so that they will, because they are consuming your content till now, they are giving you time, but now we need both, like time and money. So how we can funnel our customers using your content? So if you remember, in first week we have learned that our content should be in a way that it should take your customer from the unhappy state to the normal state and finally to the happy state, right? And this is the transformation for him. This is the transformation for him or her. And how we are doing it? We are doing it one step, step by step. So we are doing it step by step and by our content, right? So your content is really flowing every day, every time your prospects are consuming your content and they are now into your funnel. So there will be cold customer, they are hooked with your content and they are engaging with your content. So that will be in the funnel, like first part of the funnel. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to nurture your audience by using your content, so that, I mean, you need to tell them your story. You need to tell them their story in a way that they can connect with you in a emotional way on, and finally they will land in your page and they will they will give you some video views, they will give you page engagements, right? And finally, once this stage is over, you need to own that traffic, right? How you will own that? Because now your audience has already engaged with your content, they are hooked with your content, they are landing to your page, they are creating views, they are spending time, they are consuming content. Now it's a good time to give them some offer. Okay, till now you also have your email. You need to ask them for the email or for the mobile number for sending the SMS, right? So this is the correct time you can promote your product, which is a lowest value product. You can say like $7 product. So this is the correct time for selling that product. Okay, and transformation comes with you when and transformation comes when you invest in yourself. So you need to make your audience invest in their self by uh, by purchasing, by buying from you. So now guys, the next question will come like where I can promote the content, right? So there can be different things. You can boost your post, you can share your post, and you can go and share the post or the content in personal messenger, or you can tag some people, or you can go and you can also promote your content through some influencer, or if you have some network, you can go and share that content there. You can use hashtags, and if you are a technical person, you can do SEO of that particular post by some keywording. You can send email, you can send messages, you can go to the groups, and you can share your content if it is allowed. Otherwise it will look like a spam. So do not spam, but if it is allowed, then you can share your content. And you can also go to some others post, and you can in the comment section also you can promote your content, but do not do that too often, because sometimes it will feel like spammy. Okay, so this is the way, these are the ways you can promote your content. How can you grow your content? So it is important that your content, whatever you are posting, it should grow and it should reach the massive audience. So there are some old ways. So here Rachel told us one story, and in that story she mentioned about the Oreo campaign. So what happened that there was a match going on, and suddenly light went off, and Oreo took it as an opportunity, and Oreo tweeted "dunk in the dark," something like that. So what happened during that time, because it was light went off and people were active on the Twitter, and became very popular because thousands of people were presented in that match, and suddenly it was blown away. So all people were sharing that content, and they were commenting on that. They were sending emails. So there are a lot of engagement at that particular time, but that was for only for some time, not for the longer time. Okay, so you should not share your content in a way that it will boost and suddenly it will go down. So this is the old way of promotion, where at particular time people are promoting it, or you can say like they are sending email, they are sharing, they are liking, they are commenting, but it is for only for short period of time. So the new way of promotion will be like see in Facebook, some people and they know some people, and in the same way the chain will go on, right? So what you need to do, you need to create wave. You can say like you need to create a wave. So in the first wave, what you will do, you can go to your page, you can share your content, and so that wave one will be your audience who are already in that page, right? In the second wave, what you can do, you can wait for some time, maybe like you can wait for 1 day, and after 1 day you can target the second wave. So the people who know you, that will be your direct line, and after that there will be a second layer who may not know you. So you need to invest some money in your promotion, or you can say like you need to run some ads, and you need to target other people like who are in groups. So Facebook has that option of creating the ad, and you can run your ad only in case of your page. So you can invest some money and you can target some groups. Now once your second wave is over, like when you have posted the content second time, now after some days, or maybe 1 or 2 days, after some time, you can now target the third wave. And so in third wave you can send email, and you can also promote using influencer. So because your audience is getting hooked with your content, because every time they are seeing your content, do not spam again. Like if you are sending email to your user, make sure that should be the best email, because you will not be sending that email to them very frequently. That will be only maybe once in a week. So please choose the content properly. So now, if you are at zero, how you can start? We have talked about Dream 100 list. Okay, apart from that, we can also target our niche neighbors. So what is our niche neighbors? Niche neighbors are the people who are influencer or who are doing good in the same niche. So suppose if my niche is like make money online, there are many people who are also promoting the same thing or same niche, who are working on the same niche. So they are called the niche neighbors. Now, how will you use that Dream 100 list? So suppose this is your page. You can see like this is your profile. Here your profile picture and all the description, and here is your post, and your post is getting some comments or some likes or some views. So what you need to do, you can tag your neighbor, you can tag your Dream 100, suppose some influencer or whoever is doing good in this, like if they are in your Dream 100 list, you can go and tag them, and you need to tag them in a way like they will feel better, they will look better, and their audience will also get it in a good way. Okay, so you can tag them in your post, and you can also feature them in your post, right? You can appreciate them for whatever they are doing. And third thing will be tag relevant peeps. And who will be the relevant peeps? It is like, suppose there is a person who is influencer, so there might be many followers of him or her. So what you need to do, you need to tag that people who are the biggest followers of that particular influencer, so that if you are tagging them, they are also talking about that influencer, you are also talking about that influencer. So that will ultimately build one audience that will know you. So the only main thing is like you need to connect with the people, you need to increase your reach, because if you are tagging people, if you are featuring them, so their audience is also watching you, right? So as of now, if they are not your audience, definitely in future there are chances they will convert to your convert into your audience also. Okay, now how we can collect the audience? So you already know that you are posting the content, so there will be, at initial level, there will be a cold audience or look-alike. When in Instagram it is called look-alike. So those audience will be from the similar interest. Suppose if you are doing affiliate marketing, right? So there are many groups which are related to affiliate marketing, or even there are many groups which are with a similar interest. So you can collect the audience like cold audience and lookalike, or if they have similar interest. So if you are posting the content in the groups, similar interest groups, so, or you are sharing your information to some pages or to the people with similar interest, they will be first called cold or lookalike audience. And after some time, they will come to your page, they will they will consume your content, they will engage with your post. So they will be in the second level. Okay, and the last level will be own list. As I said earlier, that you should own that traffic, you should have that email, you should have that SMS, and you can also have the people who are in the buyer list. Okay, so this is all how you can create your audience, how you can nurture your audience, and how you can grow your content. So the main thing in today, we have learned how we can create our presence, how we can build our brand, how we can build the authority in front of our target audience. So there are different ways which we have discussed today, and in further videos we will discuss more about creating more traffic. So this is it for today, and I hope you like this video. And if you have not joined One Funnel Away Challenge, please join it, because whatever I am discussing, I am just discussing in very short form. You will get a detailed knowledge about all these processes, how you can grow your business, how you can grow your content or page. In One Funnel Away Challenge, you will get 30 days training, and that is costing of One Funnel Away Challenge is $100. It will be 30 days virtual program. You will get online training. You will get every day 2 hours of support from the coaches who are best coaches in the world, and you will get a lot of knowledge and complete shift of mindset in One Funnel Away Challenge. So if you have not joined yet, please go and join using my link in the description. And if you join using my link, I will give you special bonuses that includes 2 physical books written by Russell Brunson, that is .com Secrets and Expert Secrets. Along with that, you will get my 100 away challenge support throughout the 30 days. So please go and join OFA, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.